The terminal modernization project at the Waco Regional Airport has reached a major construction milestone. Passengers have begun using the new security screening area and the Gate 1 boarding area. Previously, passengers were routed through a makeshift screening area in what was formerly the cafe. Now, passengers will get to see the progress with the new finishes and furnishings. With Phase 1 of the project essentially complete, Phase 2 is making steady progress. Phase 2 includes the baggage claim area and the public bathrooms. The project remains on track for completion this fall. For more information on the Waco Airport Modernization Project, visit waco-texas.com/flywacotransformed. The Texas Ranger Hall of Fame and Museum is throwing a whole host of events to commemorate the Texas Rangers Bicentennial. Kicking off the celebration, the museum is hosting their first ever Texas Ranger Barbecue Cook-Off on Thursday, June 1st and Friday, June 2nd at the Extraco Base Center. Enjoy great food and music, learn about Texas Ranger history, and meet with Department of Safety recruiters, troopers, and rangers. The cook-offs will feature performances by the Gabe Garcia Band and the Ray Johnson Band. Admission is free. The Grand Barbecue Champion will carry home a 3-tiered Texas-sized trophy made of native Texas woods that tells the story of the Texas Rangers. The celebration continues on Friday and Saturday with a golf tournament, the Hall of Fame induction ceremony, and the Ranger reunion. The Hall of Fame will be inducting 4 new honorees for the first time in 25 years. To date, only 31 Rangers out of thousands have been inducted. For more information about the Texas Rangers Bicentennial, visit texasranger2023.org.